Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Spocket. If you're not familiar with it, Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world. But what exactly is Spocket used for, and how can it benefit you? Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without having to hold any inventory yourself. Instead, you simply pass the order on to a supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This can be a great way to start an online business with minimal investment, as you don't have to worry about the costs of storing and shipping products. So, where does Spocket come in? Spocket is a platform that makes it easy to find and connect with suppliers. They have a wide variety of products to choose from, and you can even filter your search results by category, price, and shipping time. Once you've found a supplier, you can simply add their products to your store and start selling. One of the biggest benefits of using Spocket is that it can save you a lot of time and hassle. They take care of all the order fulfillment for you, so you don't have to worry about packing and shipping products yourself. They also handle customer service, so you can focus on other aspects of your business. Another benefit of Spocket is that they offer a wide range of shipping options. This means that you can choose the shipping method that's best for your customers, whether it's fast shipping or affordable shipping. So, who is Spocket for? Spocket is a great option for anyone who wants to start an online business or expand their existing e-commerce store. It's also a good choice for people who are looking for a way to save time and money. If you're interested in learning more about Spocket, I encourage you to check out their website or watch some of their YouTube videos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.